Hi, Lily. Hi, Emma. Do you want some coffee? Yes, I do. This cafe is cute. Yes, I like it. Emma, I'm not sure what to order. That's okay. I can help you. Thank you. Do you want hot coffee or iced coffee? Hot coffee, please. Then try a vanilla latte. Okay, that sounds good.
Hi, what would you like?
I'd like an iced Americano, please.
Okay. And for you?
Can I have a vanilla latte, please?
Small or medium?
Medium, please. And one piece of cake, please.
For here?
Yes, for here.
Your name?
Emma.
Thank you.
I was nervous. Really? Why? Because my English is not very good. You did great. Really? Yes, you were clear. Thank you, Emma. You're doing well. I feel better now. This table is nice. Yes, I like this place. Me too. It is quiet and cozy. Perfect for coffee.
Here are your drinks and cake.
Thank you. Oh, my latte looks so nice. Try it. It's very good. Do you like it? Yes, I do. It's sweet and warm. I'm happy you like it. Thank you for helping me. Of course. Let's come here again. Yes, next time you order first. Okay, I will try. You can do it. And next time, the cake is my treat. Great idea. Do you like coffee? What drink do you like? Do you remember what Lily ordered? Tell us in the comments. Thank you.